Learn from experience. Mastering the challenge of a second offense DUI in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. The McShane Firm, LLC. Embarking on the unwanted journey of a second offense DUI charge in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania can be a daunting experience. As you face this challenge, it's crucial to reflect on past mistakes and use them as stepping stones toward a better future. In this blog post, we will explore the importance of learning from your previous experiences, particularly if you made the mistake of choosing the wrong attorney for your first offense or attempting a DIY approach. By recognizing the need for top-notch legal representation, you have taken a crucial step towards mastering the challenges ahead with the help of the McShane Firm. The pitfalls of choosing the wrong attorney. If you had a less than ideal experience with your previous attorney during your first offense DUI, you have learned firsthand the impact of inadequate representation. Perhaps they lacked the specialized knowledge and experience required for DUI cases or failed to provide the level of commitment and support you needed. Maybe they showed up late or not at all. Maybe they didn't return phone calls. Maybe they were all about the money. Maybe they just didn't care. Maybe they were just too old. By acknowledging this mistake, you have shown a commitment to ensuring better legal representation for your second offense DUI. The dangers of DIY approaches. Taking a DIY approach to handle a second offense DUI charge in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania can lead to lifelong horrible consequences. There's no ARD for a second offense. A conviction is like a diamond. It lasts forever. It's essential to recognize the complexities of the legal system and the importance of having a skilled attorney by your side. While it may be tempting to believe that you can handle the case on your own, or you think that there's no use, the reality is that navigating the legal intricacies requires professional expertise. By learning from this past mistake on the first one where maybe you had a few too many surprises and not enough answers, you have chosen to prioritize your legal well-being and seek the expertise of the McShane Firm. Recognizing your worth. You deserve the best. Throughout this process, it's crucial to recognize that you deserve the best legal representation available. By seeking out the McShane Firm, you have shown a commitment to securing the highest level of advocacy for your second offense DUI case. The McShane Firm's team of experienced attorneys specializes in DUI defense, possessing the knowledge, skills, and dedication needed to navigate the complexities of your case. With their support, you can face the challenges ahead with confidence. As you embark on the journey of a second offense DUI in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, it's important to learn from past mistakes and make choices that prioritize your legal well-being. By recognizing the pitfalls of choosing the wrong attorney for your first offense or attempting a DIY approach, you have taken a significant step forward. The McShane Firm is here to provide you with the exceptional legal representation you deserve. Contact us today for a free consultation and let us guide you through the process of mastering the challenges of a second offense DUI in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania.